Alright guys, remember the fun plane here that broke? That was really cool. Well, I decided to make a little version of that hopefully will run. So I've got these two different versions actually of the thing, and then I had it over here, which I can't really do a whole lot now with one hand, but that's how it came to be. Anyway, I'm going to try to print this and see what happens. It does not have this cool little shape that goes up there. That'll be in a separate print, separate model that'll set up, but I'm just trying to see if I got the measurements correct for this bit over here, and we'll see if that runs. Once I know that that's working, also thanks to me being able to 3D print properly on the other printer, we'll see if that works out.
Likey